endless fun and adventure with our soft play equipment. The ultimate indoor playground solution for preschool kids. Crafted with safety and creativity in mind, our customizable indoor soft play equipment offers a dynamic and immersive play experience that captivates young imaginations and encourages active play. Welcome to the world of imaginative play with our Royal Piano Climber, the perfect indoor soft play equipment for preschool children. Crafted with safety and creativity in mind, our Royal Piano Climber offers young minds a space to climb, slide, and explore in a safe and engaging environment. Watch as children laugh, learn, and make friends while navigating the exciting features of the Royal Piano Climber, fostering physical activity and social interaction. Elevate indoor playtime with the Royal Piano Climber. Contact us today to bring the joy of play to your preschool. At the heart of our playground is the Slide with Ball Pool, a thrilling centerpiece that promises hours of fun and adventure for young ones. Watch as children eagerly climb up the soft steps, slide down the smooth surface, and plunge into the soft ball pool below, giggling with delight as they immerse themselves in a sea of colorful balls. As they interact with one another, they develop social skills, build confidence, and unleash their imaginations, creating unforgettable memories in our safe and stimulating indoor environment. Transform any indoor space into a heaven of joy and laughter with our soft play equipment, featuring the thrilling Slide with Ball Pool. Order yours today and let the adventures begin. Welcome to our enchanting indoor playground, where imagination knows no bounds and adventure awaits around every corner. At the heart of our playground are two beloved favorites, the Seesaw Junior Deluxe and the Elephant Junior Rocker. These carefully designed pieces combine safety, comfort, and endless fun to create an unforgettable play experience. Transform any indoor space into a heaven of joy and laughter with our Seesaw Junior Deluxe and Elephant Junior Rocker. Step into a world of playful exploration with our swing, the perfect addition to any indoor soft play area for preschool kids. Crafted with safety and joy in mind, our swing offers young adventurers a thrilling yet secure experience as they soar through the air. Watch as children giggle with delight, feeling the wind in their hair and the excitement of flight, fostering balance and coordination in a fun and engaging way. Elevate indoor playtime with our swing. Our indoor playground boasts a thrilling array of features, from towering slides to challenging climbers, cozy rockers to vibrant ball pools. Each element is crafted with safety and excitement in mind, providing endless opportunities for young explorers to climb, slide, bounce, and play to their heart's content. With each activity, they develop essential motor skills, balance, coordination, and social interaction, all while having a blast in our safe and stimulating environment. As they interact with peers, they learn valuable lessons in cooperation, communication, and sharing, laying the foundation for lifelong friendships. Contact us today to create magical memories in your preschool.